Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreate Jennie outfit in Met Gala 2025 without VIP in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black. And then for the makeup, I'm using this one because I don't have custom makeup. It will be better if you have custom makeup so you will look more similar to Jennie. Okay, and to recreate the outfit, we're going to wear the withered rose set from the petal update. So make sure you have purchased the set. I'm going to go to the dressing room and wear this dress. And then I'm going to color it black for all the selection except sixth selection. Okay, like this. And this is how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area. I'm going to wear this hat, this one, and then we're going to color it black for the first selection. Okay, and then let's move to this area and wear this pant. Okay, I'm going to color it black. All right, and go to this shirt area. Wear this shirt, select classic, and then you're going to color it black. Okay, and then the next one you can wear this shoe. Okay, and then we're going to move to the necklace area right here, and then you can wear this necklace and you can color it white. Okay, this item, and you're going to go to the adjustment and adjust like this. This is for the position, XYZ, and for the rotation and scale. So the flower will be like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.